Swami Vivekanand, the 12th of January 1863 to the 4th of July 1902, was an Indian Hindu monk, spiritual leader, and a key figure in the introduction of Indian philosophies like Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world. He is celebrated for his role in the revival of Hinduism in modern India and for his efforts in interfaith dialogue. Early life. Birth name, Narendranath Datta. Birthplace, Kolkata, then Calcutta, West Bengal, India. Family background, he was born into an affluent Bengali family. His father, Vishwanath Datta, was an attorney, and his mother, Bhuvaneshwari Devi, was deeply spiritual. Education. Narendranath was a brilliant student, studying philosophy, literature, and Western logic at Presidency College and later at the Scottish Church College, Kolkata. He was deeply influenced by Western thought but retained a strong interest in spirituality. Spiritual awakening. Narendranath met Sri Ramakrishna, a mystic and saint of Dakshineshwar, in 1881. This meeting transformed his life. Initially skeptical, he later became a devoted disciple, embracing Ramakrishna's teachings of universal love, service to humanity, and the unity of all religions. After Ramakrishna's death in 1886, Vivekananda and a group of disciples established the Ramakrishna Math and Mission, dedicated to spiritual practice and social service. Visit to the West. Swami Vivekananda gained worldwide fame after his speech at the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago on the 11th of September 1893. His opening words, "Sisters and Brothers of America," received a standing ovation. He spoke about religious tolerance, universal acceptance, and the spiritual wisdom of India, captivating Western audiences. Key contributions. 1. Ramakrishna Mission. Vivekananda founded this organization in 1897, focusing on spiritual education, healthcare, and humanitarian work. 2. Books and teachings. His works, including Raja Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, and Bhakti Yoga, continue to inspire people worldwide. 3. Advocacy for youth and education. He emphasized the empowerment of youth and the importance of education in building a strong, spiritual, and self-reliant India. 4. Philosophy. Vivekananda promoted Advaita Vedanta, advocating the divinity of every soul and the unity of existence. Legacy. Swami Vivekananda passed away on the 4th of July 1902 at Belur Math, near Kolkata, at the age of 39. Despite his short life, his teachings have had a profound impact on both India and the world. National Youth Day. His birthday, the 12th of January, is celebrated as National Youth Day in India. Global influence. His ideas on spirituality, leadership, and service continue to inspire millions across the globe. Swami Vivekananda remains a symbol of strength, compassion, and wisdom, embodying the ideals of selfless service and universal brotherhood.